Yes, I'm moving out. Yes, so it's already official. I will be leaving this room number 40, and I'll be transferring to room number 61. So I'll be transferring from the 4th floor, this floor, to the 6th floor. This is because when I arrived here at the University of San Carlos after my graduation in UPLB, I opted to stay at the visitors room, which is room number 40, and after some time I became very familiar with this room. I did not want to transfer anymore, but now it's really high time to transfer because there are many movements that will be happening in terms of our personnel. So I have to go up 6th floor so that when new confreres come, they can opt to stay for a while in this room. So I'll miss this room. This is my room for 2 years. Tayo ngayon sa hallway ng University of San Carlos. Malapit lang tayo sa ating chapel dahil mayroong misa ngayon for the turnover of leadership from Father Johnny Miranda to Father Sisoy Silian as University President. Naalala ko last time that we are gathered here in the chapel, sabi ni Father Roger Bagao, this chapel can accommodate more than 500 students, but today, as we practice social distancing, this church is already full. Yes, today we are going to Talamban. We shall be bringing Father Derick to Talamban.
Pag magdala lang ko yan, ang kanang uyab ba? Huwag yapon mo.
Yes, and we are here already in Talamban. I-secure na yun ako, dayon ang bread. Asa naman ta?
Boys! Asa si Father Derick, Father Pete,
mamaya ta ini dire kay walay elevator. Yoo! Asan? C2 dito. Wow, overlooking. Wow. Wow, downtown. Parang pa man sila nauna man ta sila ha.